Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So I don't normally do this kind of video, but I just said to do it for will I say motivate or to encourage YouTubers out there, even if small YouTubers, okay, even if they're having low view, you can still make some few changes out of it. So we are going to be comparing two videos today, so I hope you enjoyed this particular one with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share the video, leave your beautiful comment, and let's get started. So guys, I'll be showing you guys two videos of mine that there's some videos you upload, you will not have money, but you have views. While there's some video that when you upload it, you will not have views, but you have money in it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys two videos of mine that one, I have views, but I don't have much money inside. And the other one, I don't have much views, but I made money from it. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not shared the video. So I don't know if maybe it's the niche or the maybe it's the niche of the video that made it to be like so, or will I say is how people watch the video and how much advertisers paid on the video. As I said in the beginning, I don't really do this kind of content, but I decided to share it in case you're a small YouTuber and you're not having views in your channel and you're monetized, or if you're monetized, this video is for you. Okay, so there are some videos we upload that you will not see views inside, but the money you made from it, you yourself, you ask yourself, how is this so I'm going to be taking you guys on a journey. So I screen recorded my distance, so I'm going to show you guys with this phone, but it's going to be appearing somewhere in this screen. Yeah, so this particular video I uploaded was my worst immigration experience in Nigeria and BBM interracial couples. I always put BBM interracial couples in my video because you know now hobby is white, me I'm black, so it's BBM, black woman, white man. So in the video, I uploaded this video on 11th. Okay, so on the video it's giving me our overall view. I have this video had 367 views since published. Okay, so it's giving me 364 views, blah blah. The watch hour is there. I didn't have any subscriber on this particular one. The YouTube recommendation is there, and read time I still have like 4 suggestions. The YouTube is still suggesting this video. So if you go to my reach, okay, I have 5.4 click rate, views, blah blah. As I said earlier, I know they do this kind of content. So the since it was published, it's interracial couple YouTuber that has been and I'm saying that my video self is suggesting this particular video. Did not know. So since I uploaded this video, my video have suggested it, and 2 of my videos have suggested it. Then we'll now go to engagement. I have 21.8 watch hour and 3.4 like viewer retention. Then we'll now go to audience. I have 93 returning audience that came back to watch the video. I had new audience. People that watch it was from USA, Nigeria, United States, and my subscribers, which was people that have subscribed, that watch it more than people that did not subscribe. So I didn't get any subscriber in this one. Then this one I had $1.44 and it's still counting. Okay, and if this video, if I have 1k view, I will have gotten $3.93. Okay, so I think how much advertiser paid for this particular video was $10.79. Okay, so it didn't mean that I have like 1k view now, if I don't get $3, but anyway, nothing is too small. So for 366 view, I got $1.44. It's something. Yeah, so maybe it's because it's a sit down video, and that is why I'm getting this kind of amount. I don't know, maybe it's because it's a sit down video. You can do well to highlight me more in the comment section. As I said earlier on, I don't really do this kind of content, but I was just like, let me come and share with you all about this particular stuff that is going on in my channel here. So we are going to be moving to the next video that I said that I have views, but I don't have much money inside. So the next video that I have views that I don't have much money inside was this: a day in my life, hubby left me, I'm not a decent wife, BBM interracial couple. Okay, so you guys have already watched that video, and the reason why I did this, I chose this title. Okay, yeah. So in this video, I have my average view duration was 2.28 minutes. While in the previous video, my average view duration I think was 3 minutes thereabout. So going to move to the next stuff, which is this video. Since this video was published, it had 546 views since it was published. Okay, and my watch hour, I had 3 subscribers. My watch hour was there. Okay, then the recommendation, blah blah blah. Suggested, this video have not been suggested. There's only one suggestion it has. Okay, only one suggestion it has. So my reach was it's still loading. It's loading. 5 point, like, people really clicked on the video than the previous one. Okay, people really clicked on this particular video, and my video still suggested this particular one. My worst immigration experience suggested this video, and a day in my life, that is the recent one I uploaded, suggested this video. What a BBN couple eats suggested this video. Like, 3 of my videos suggested this particular video, which I'm quite impressed. Let me know, is it a good thing for your own video to suggest the next upload? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so and after the suggestion, we'll move to engagement. Okay, engagement, I have 22.5, and the dual retention was 2. All right, and we'll now move to audience. Okay, audience, I got more of new viewers than people that return, and USA, South Africa, and United Kingdom watched the video. Okay, so, and people that are not subscribed to my channel watch it more than people that are subscribed and I got 3 subscribers from it. So this one I made 0.49 cents. Is it because it is a vlog? You can let me know in the comment section. So you can see that I have more views, like 500 and something view. Okay, but yet I still make 0.94 cents. I didn't make up to $1 in this video, but you get view, but you don't make money. So do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes. So this is, and again in the video, if I have like 1K view, okay, I will make $1.76, because advertisers paid $6.19 on the video. So that's what advertisers paid. So they paid $6 on the video. But the other one, I did like a sit down talk about my experience in immigration office and the rest. Advertisers paid like $10. And if I made like 1K view on that video, I made like $3. I wish I made 1K view. But anyway, so nothing is too small. Okay, this particular one I have more views, but I didn't make much money. Initially, when I was seeing the video, when it was like in 300, I was saying 24 views, 24 cents. I was like, what is this kind of video? Because the video was in 300, I was saying 24 cents. I was like, which kind of wall be this? Like, why would this video be giving me 24 cents? Was it a bad idea in uploading this video? I started feeling bad because I was not seeing money inside the video, but saying it now that is 94 cents. Our bread is better than none. Yeah. So guys, this is what I made in this video. Okay, so I don't know, maybe it's because of it's a sit down video that made it to be that much or not. Let me know your own opinion, your own thought in the comment section. There are some of my videos that I make small money that have a lot of view. There was one that shocked me, a video of mine I made. Okay, I got 150 view. I made $1 in that video. Okay, I was so shocked about that video. I can't do a screen record because the video has gotten more than 150 view. Okay, so I was so shocked. I told my friend, a friend of mine that was also a YouTuber, I was like, this video did me this thing though. Like, I am so shocked that there are some videos that you will not make lots of view in that video, but the money you make there is more than the view you are, is more than the video that you make lot of view. So what, in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is that there's big YouTubers, some YouTubers that you see millions of view. You don't know that how much they are paying them is not according to the view they get. Not all videos on YouTube that you see lot of view inside and you believe that they are making more money inside. Yes, they can have lot of view, but the money they make in that video, you yourself will be like, why? Why is it like so? So let me know your own experience. Are you a YouTuber that is monetized? Let me know your own experience. Have you experienced this kind of twists or this, like, it's because it's strange. At least when I started YouTube, I always think that when you have plenty views, you will have plenty money. But it's when I now got monetized and now start, understanding the YouTube wahala, acknowledging and their every, and I know that it's not all videos that have plenty views that give you plenty money. Some videos that have plenty views, they give money, it will give you small money. Why some videos that does not have views, cha will give you plenty money. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your own experience, share your own opinion, and I'll see you on my besties in my next video. Bye.